Hello traders. When you apply Alpha Fibonacci system, you're absolutely not required to day trade. It's a very big misconcept. When I work with JP Morgan traders, when I work with financial advisors, when I work with retirees who are using Alpha Fibonacci system long term, if you understand where to enter and take your long-term position, you can look at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month. We have traders in their 70s, in their 80s who are firing their financial advisors and managing their own accounts drastically better. System identified trend inception a year ago. In the current month of September, we're stuck for the second month at the brick wall. This level is out, we're heading higher. Extremely important event. The response between this level and this level will define markets for months and years to come. And you know this far in advance. So if I take you back to a couple of months before, you understand the predictive power of this. Here's June 1st, 2023. The start of a summer. Price moving higher and higher and higher. How is it possible we have catastrophic inflation, rate increase highest in 40 years? But Alpha Fibonacci system tells you this brick wall is out after 7 months war zone. This level to follow, this level to follow, all in advance, never, ever, ever after the fact. So here we are, second week in September. S&P mini future reflecting US markets, 500 stocks plus showing you this is key event. This is critical, crucial. And you knew this many months in advance. Identical event playing out on Apple. Apple setting up for free fall. So if I'm not available, you as an investor will know what to do with your position on Apple. Because buying Apple at the bottom is a brilliant thing to do. Not here. Here you exiting your long, not buying at this level. And again, let me take you back on Apple to a year before. I live and breathe what I do. I'm very proud of what I developed. So when you come to the classes, every single person for the last 13 years is in shock. Alpha Fibonacci system predictive, Alpha Fibonacci system precise, and bold green line remains your critical key level forever. And that's the reason Apple's selling off. Bullish rally skyrocketed by the end of October 2022 on Apple. We are no longer at the bottom. We are at the top. So no matter what the earnings are, you know all of this far in advance. And you can use system entirely separate from earnings, respecting earnings and news due to volatility. As I constantly bring major news in the trading room to the students. Selling pressure on Apple is on. Are you ready for Apple to collapse? Do you know what to do with your position? Do you understand how important this event on gold is? It's the key. Have you heard that gold is a safe haven? My goodness, with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system, you knew. No matter what inflation and rate increase playing out, gold is not safe haven. You exiting gold before sell-off. Here's gold in March 2023. So, this is a system we're reviewing going back months and even year before. And the reason system traded by institutions, hedge funds, financial advisors, and retirees all over the world. Price is price. The only difference between using system long-term versus day trading is risk management and trade hold time. So you stop speculating, you stop gambling, you start trading markets as strategic, intelligent chess. 1900 is a lifeline on gold. Gold is not safe haven. Collapse on gold from 2100 to 1900 is a stunning lesson. Do not gamble with your money. Do not run to gold because you read or saw it something on the news that it's a safe haven. It's not. USD CAD, no matter what Saudis do, no matter how big BRICS alliance with Putin becoming, US dollar skyrocketed and defended this level. Price is price. I recognized that in 2008 when I was building my first strategy. And when you understand the power of pure price, you can trade anything you choose. If you are bored with long-term positions, add Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. This is simplicity, this is purity, this is identical levels, except this is software. Identical level as on Apple, as on US dollar. Identical rules, identical reversal zone. Only difference, if you day trade, technical execution and risk management drastically more intense and precise. Every single tick matters. You are not interested in intensity of day trading? Use system long term. On oil, on gold, on stocks, on ETFs, on mutual funds. And understand what played out in 2022 means drastically more intense volatility to come. It's a quiet before the storm. And this is a critical key chart on S&P mini future that tells us that. That's it. So when you start trading a strategic, intelligent trader, everything changes. And you can see and view movie student made about Fibonacci Trading Institute posted on our homepage. So please review all the details about lifetime system for all platforms or lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8 and view and see how traders trade all over the world. All instruments, all time frames, all platforms. Choice is yours what you will decide to trade. And if you invite me to your wedding, do not be surprised if I come. And if you win world trading competition, of course you can. If you're trading with Alpha Fibonacci rules, the skies are the limit. All you have to do, obey the rules and identify the instrument and time frame appropriate for you. Currently, we are offering savings with $8,000 for private mentoring. I have one spot left. I work with students in Australia, in Japan, in New Zealand, South Africa, in afternoon. In addition, you have access to all video library, modules, trading room. Group course, the most popular option, savings $5,000. If you are not on NinjaTrader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Savings $3,000 to $8,000 depending on the package of your choice. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. I hope you enjoyed this video.